Once you have built a pot large enough for independence, the question becomes how much you can safely live on from it each year without running out. The most famous guideline for this is the 4% rule, and it underpins much financial independence planning. The rule suggests that, in your first year, you might withdraw around 4% of your total invested pot to live on, then adjust that amount for inflation in the years after. Use B's AI to search finance labs and find the right finance tools to solve this. The idea is that a starting withdrawal rate near this level has, in many historical scenarios, allowed a pot to keep providing income over a long period without being exhausted, because investment growth can roughly replace what you take out. This is the counterpart to the 25x rule. Drawing 4% a year is the same as needing about 25 times your annual spending invested, two ways of describing the same estimate. Together, they let you both set your target and plan your spending in freedom. But it is only a guideline, not a guarantee. It rests on particular assumptions about returns, inflation, and time horizon that may not hold in every country, market, or era. A long period of poor returns, higher inflation, or an especially long retirement can make a fixed 4% too much, while good conditions might allow more. For example, a newly independent person plans to withdraw about 4% of their portfolio in the first year and adjust it for inflation thereafter, while staying ready to spend a little less if markets fall. Costs, taxes, income, and investment returns vary from one country to another and change over time, and rules of thumb are rough estimates while investments can fall and returns are not guaranteed. So check what applies where you live. The main lesson is simple. The 4% rule suggests withdrawing about 4% of your pot the first year, then adjusting for inflation, a guideline for living off your assets sustainably, though not a guarantee.